Hello! I'm here at our newest listing in Northeast Bend's friendly Sunpointe neighborhood. Let's take a look at this adorable one-story home. Right away, the front porch stands out. It has a warm, inviting feel that makes you want to slow down, take a breath, and step inside. As you enter, the home opens up into a bright living space with vaulted ceilings and abundant windows that fill the room with natural light. LVP flooring runs throughout, giving the home a clean, cohesive look that feels both comfortable and updated. The kitchen has been thoughtfully refreshed with updated counters, stainless steel appliances, and a new peninsula that adds extra workspace and a natural gathering spot. Updated lighting and a refreshed guest bath contribute to the home's move-in ready feel, and the layout flows easily between the kitchen, dining area, and living room for both everyday life and entertaining. Out back, a 450 square foot deck overlooks a private, fully fenced yard, offering space to host friends, let kids play, or unwind at the end of the day. Set close to Mountain View Park, Big Sky Park, and the on-tap food trucks, this home offers an easy Northeast Bend lifestyle with parks, dining, and neighborhood energy nearby. If you're looking for a home that feels welcoming, updated, and easy to live in, this one is well worth seeing in person. Call us today for your private showing of this lovely Northeast Bend home.